Okay, so two things. I was noticing when I was trying to get this damn thing to work properly that the Elix thing apparently is broken now. It hasn't been supported in a while. The client that I was using it as a basis of, he had this one and another one plugged in, so they're called very similar. So I thought it was this, so that's on me. But they do offer a 30 back money back guarantee, so you just have to put that in. You'll get your $60 back. But the one that is working that replaced it, I tested on my site instead of using my client's site just to see if it worked, and it does work. So I'm going to kind of walk you through the process of that. I'll go ahead and remove the Elix thing, and I'll send you a link on where to request to get the $60 30-day guarantee money back bullshit to get that shit back. So as far as the USPS plugin that is working, because a lot of these plugins for WordPress tend to frickin' break or are unsupported, and they don't remove them, they don't clean them, which is a huge irritant. But anyways, the one that's working is, let me go to down here. Hopefully you can see my screen. Where did it go? WooCommerce US Postal Service Web Service Method. That's what it's called, but it shows up as something else altogether, and you'll actually save money because it's only like $20 or something like that for an entire year to use the plugin and everything, and it has everything that you need for your purposes. Now, where to go and get that from is from, I'll put the link in the website, but it's right here, themeforest.net/downloads. It's the US Postal Service USPS WooCommerce Shipping plugin. I'll send you the link for where to download this. Once you download it, then it'll come up here as a zipped file. You have to do the same thing you did before, which is upload plugin by going up here, go to add new, upload plugin, choose file, and then you navigate to it. It's going to be called Code Canyon, blah, blah, blah. Do that, install now, and then activate, and that's pretty much it. For doing the settings in it, let's go over here. It's very, very simple, even easier than the other one. So plug in all your information here, your address, go to shipping. Okay, so the modes and everything that was not showing up for you before, that's the thing that was broken on the other one. It wasn't showing up at all, and I actually contacted Elix and found out apparently it's a common issue with them. No, they're not supported anymore, so pain in the ass. Anyways, so you go here, shipping zones should be already set for you. You had a whole bunch of them. Go to edit, scroll down, go to edit, and you can go back. Sorry. Um, add shipping method. Okay, so now you're going to see the drop down. These are the standard ones that come with it: flat rate, free shipping, local pickup. You're going to see U.S. Postal Service as an option for shipping method. So click on that and click on add shipping method. I already have it enabled for mine. Now if you go into the settings for it, you can edit all your shit. So that email that you got for the web ID thing, this is mine, but plug in your number. It has like 14 something AA or whatever, and then click on validate credentials, and what you're going to get, so as it pops up, okay, so you're going to production line server success, API credentials verified or validated. That will show you rates lookup success. That way it pulls the correct information from the database for when you're shipping shit. Shipping rates, you can leave the logging blank. You can leave this all to 0. I have delivery guarantee only on guaranteed services. That's automatically unchecked, so you don't necessarily need this. If you need a certain amount of days before you can ship an item, you're going to plug that in here. Right now it's set to 0 or to blank. These are all your post office services. You can uncheck or check as many as you want. First class, priority, Global Express, blah, blah, blah. Just check, uncheck whatever you just don't want it on there. And then if you have standard box sizes that you use, you can add them right here under shipping package box sizes, add more, and put that in there. If you don't, and it varies from everything, just don't mess with it then. Just you can do it as needed type of a thing. And then click Save Changes when you're done. And it's going to come back up. All right, so letter mail flat rates. If you're not doing flat rates or anything like that, then don't even worry about this tab. For tracking, enable email notification if you want that on, so that emails you after tracking updates and stuff like that. And updates, this is going to look different for you. What you're going to do is when you get the U.S. Postal Service here, you're going to plug in the license number that you have associated with it. If I can find mine. I think it shows up in your email. Yeah, it's in your email. Let me go back to it. We got to. And if I can spell ENVATO. Okay, purchase confirmation. All right, so your license number is going to show. It's going to show underneath whatever product that you bought. Where did it go? I need the one from today. It's the 16th, so that's this one here. Okay, so purchase code, blah, blah, blah. Copy it. And go back over here. You're going to plug in this number, hit verify, and then it's going to show here. And all that's going to do is it's just going to keep the USPS plugin up to date with the U.S. Postal Service rates so that you're getting the most accurate rates in case they like increase their shit, which they do frequently. So after that, you can set this to development because you're still building your site, but I just keep mine as live because it's just easier. Plug in your sender's information, your zip code, your address, and your business name, all that fun stuff here. And then save changes. And that's pretty much it. So what it looks like on the product end, I'm going to go to one of the products over here and show you. So the one I have it set for, you have to make sure obviously you have your size and your dimensions set for all of your products when they get packaged, like if they're packaged individually, that type of thing. So this one right here, click on shipping. My weight, I don't know, I just guesstimated 10 kilograms, and I put random numbers in here for the centimeters, small item shipping. And then this is the important part right here. Make sure this is checked, and it's going to show this on the product checkout page. U.S. Postal Service, if you hover over it, you'll see this item will not be placed in any box but assumed already packed and ready to ship. So it's going to calculate your shipping costs based on the weight and the size that you put there and the zip code that is being used for whoever's buying it. So that, and then what it looks like on product side when people are checking out. Let's go over here. Where did it go? Did I close that? Yeah, I must have closed it. Okay, so this is gonna, I'll show you what it looks like. You go to the site. I'm gonna add it to my cart. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna, and you'll see everything over here on the left defaulted. So it's going to change. Let's see. I'll just put in some random ass information for addresses, and it should change everything over here. Okay, so these are the shipping options that are available based on the size and the weight for that particular item. and whatnot. So, and then it'll show your grand total there. So hopefully that helps. What I'm going to do on my end is I'm going to see if it makes it easier for you, which it probably will be. Just go ahead and buy this right here. Let me go to there. I'll get the link for you. I'll send you the website for it, but I think it's like $20 or something is how much I spent for it. Download it and then upload it on your end, and then from there I can make sure everything is set up properly, and then you can test it or however whatever's easier for you. I don't really care. I'm just trying to make your life a little simpler. All right, I'm going to kill this video.